Okay, it's a Monday morning Feed the Bird. Let's see who's here. Who's here? Come on down. On the car, on the roof. Oops. Come on, baby. I know. Come on, we got chicken today. It's chicken day. Chicken. Chicken day. Hey. Get some chicken. Get your red hot chicken. Come on, babies. Come on. Get chicken. Hold the phone. I forgot this folder. Get your baby. Some chicken. Here you go. There's the Poofy. He likes to chase everybody. And there's our little one with the bad eye. And here goes Munchkin. And then this is the little boy who just chases everybody around. Gets all foofed up. It's cute when he hops, though. Oh, little girl. There you go. Keep that bird going. Chicken day. Chicken day. Chicken, chicken. Who got the chicken? Here we go. Oh my goodness. There's sweetheart. A lot of the babies aren't here yet. We had to get up early because we have a catering order. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Here you go. Don't you take her chicken. You can get your own. There you go. And there's the one. You're gonna have to come over here, little one. Go get it. Think about it. Think about it. Here we go. Ready? Come on. Here you go. Okay, guys. What's it about? Okay, it's just a quickie today because Mama's got to go to work early. I know I'm calling myself their mom. Oh well.